Hello everybody, this is Teacher Sam and today's lesson in science is all about who or what makes sounds. When you go outside your house, could you hear lots of sound? Or even when you stay at home, do you hear lots of sounds? Then who makes these sounds? People make sound. Who are the people? You, me, your mom, your dad, your brothers, your sisters, the police officer, the doctors, the pilots. We are all people, but how do people make sound? This guy is singing in the picture, so when we sing, we make sound. Can you guess what are they doing in the picture? Well, they are talking to each other. So when we talk to each other, we also produce sounds. How about when we sleep? Do you think we can produce sounds? Or do we make sounds when we sleep? Sometimes we do. When we snore, we make sound. So people produce sound. Animals also can produce sound. Can you make the sound of these different animals? A cow, a bird, a chicken, frog, lamb, a duck, and a snake. Can you make the sounds of these different animals? And instruments also produce sounds. Tambourine, flute, guitar, drums, and keyboards. These different instruments produce sound. Can you name other instruments that can produce sound?